Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the LEGO Spring Festival Trotting Lantern, 80,116, a beautifully designed Chinese festival-themed LEGO set that brings cultural tradition to life. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the best deals available today. Isekai Lantern, build, learn and celebrate the Spring Festival. This LEGO 80,116 Trotting Lantern set is an educational and cultural masterpiece, blending traditional Chinese festival elements with fun LEGO building. Whether you're a collector, a fan of Asian culture, or looking for a meaningful gift, this set is a must-have. White check mark, authentic Chinese New Year design, inspired by traditional lantern festivals. White check mark, rotating feature, enjoy dynamic movement as you display it. White check mark, Year of the Snake minifigure, a special touch for 2025's Zodiac year. Artist palette, stunning design and details. The LEGO Spring Festival Trotting Lantern features vibrant red and gold colors, symbolizing good luck and prosperity. The design is packed with intricate cultural elements that make it a beautiful display piece. White check mark, festive colors and patterns, perfect for Chinese New Year decor. White check mark, rotating lantern effect, adds a touch of tradition and movement. White check mark, sturdy build, great for display and long-lasting enjoyment. Present, a meaningful gift for all ages. This LEGO set is ideal for kids, ages 9+, teens, and adults who appreciate cultural celebrations and creative building. It's a fantastic educational toy that teaches about the Chinese Spring Festival while providing hours of fun. White check mark, great for LEGO lovers and collectors. White check mark, perfect as a Chinese New Year gift. White check mark, a unique way to learn about Chinese traditions. Final verdict, is it worth it? If you're looking for a beautiful, cultural, and interactive LEGO set, the LEGO 80,116 Spring Festival Trotting Lantern is a fantastic choice. It combines traditional Chinese aesthetics, LEGO craftsmanship, and an engaging building experience, making it a great display piece or a thoughtful gift. Check the link below to get yours before it sells out.